Alright guys, what's up YouTube? We're back at the car again, but we had to do a compression test. Gotta do a compression test. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do a compression test on your vehicle. If you have a V8 or a V6 or an inline 4 or an inline 5 or inline 6, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna show you how to do the compression, how to test the compression on said vehicle. So we'll go ahead and take this intake off, get that out of the way, because we got to get to cylinder 3, cylinder 5, and we're going to do a bump test. We're going to do a bump test, and yeah, so let me go ahead and take this off, and I'm going to get back with y'all. Yeah, if it's between 90 and 150 PSI, it's good. Anything below, you have a bad cylinder, so. All right, YouTube, so we got it out. That's the, hold on, let me show you. So, that's it right there. And this is what we're looking at. All right, so we gotta take this one out. We're gonna take these two out. We're gonna do a bump test. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. All right, so we got the spark plug out. So we got this on. Now, all right, so we got it on. All right. Pressure. Let me do that again. So, pressure. One more time.
Can it? It's making good pressure. See that shit bump all the way up from 120. Bah!